Umalis na ang Chinese Coast Guard vessel sa Ayungin Shoal matapos gumawa ng gulo kung saan nasaktan ang dalawang sundalong Pinoy na nakadestino sa BRP Sierra Madre.
As of this morning, the China Coast Guard ship that launched the boat that approached the BRP Sierra Madre has left Ayungin Shoal. So it left just this morning around 8 in the morning, and it seems to be on its way back to Mischief Reef.
Pero sinabi ni Sea Light Foundation Executive Director Ray Powell sa At the Forefront ng Billionaire News Channel na hindi pa tapos ang panghihimasok ng China sa West Philippine Sea.
These are all part of a long-term campaign that's really extended over 5 decades for China to control maritime East Asia, right? And so this is not just the West Philippine Sea. It's the Taiwan Strait. It's now the Bashi Channel and east of Batanes. It's going all the way north to the Sea of Japan and the Yellow Sea. Understanding that this is all linked together as a push outward by China.
Payo niya sa gobyerno, ipagpatuloy ang pagpapalakas ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Umani ng batikos ang China mula sa international community matapos ang engkwentro sa pagitan ng Philippine Navy at Chinese Coast Guard sa Ayungin Shoal. Para
Teritoryo namin to, ba't kayo nandito? Sobrang dami na naming ibinigay.